Hi, welcome back. Today I'm going to talk to you about something that's really uncomfortable for me, and that is talk about me, all about me today. Well, I am the Director of Education for Instructing.com. May come as no surprise that I own Instructing.com, and I teach and write about project management, in careers, in goal setting, things of that nature. I have been certified as a MCSE, a Microsoft Certified Systems Engineer. I was a Microsoft Certified Trainer, A+, Network Plus, Project Plus, and a Certified Technical Trainer. Those are all some of my credentials. I'm also certified by ITIL. I am a PSM, PMI ACP, and I am certified as a PMP way back in 2003, a long time ago. Seems like yesterday. I remember taking that exam. Now, my background has predominantly been in adult education. I started my career at Columbia College in Chicago, where I taught for a couple of years. And then I also taught at Harper College and Ball State University and Vincennes University there in the Midwest. At one point, I moved away from higher education into more post-grad classes in corporate education. So I've taught for companies like Eli Lilly, Chase Bank, Indiana University Health Systems, Berkeley National Labs, Caterpillar, and I've given lectures at a lot of PMI chapters in the UAE, in Belgium, and throughout Europe and the United States. So I have taught a lot on project management and a lot about technology and project management in my career. When I'm not teaching, typically in the summer months, is when I write. And many of you know I've written over 20 books on the PMP exam, on project management for McGraw-Hill, the American Management Association, Pearson Education, and Macmillan. So I do a fair amount of writing. My whole life is based on words. The courses that I teach, and many of you have found me through my classes on Udemy or on my site, Instructing.com, or at Pearson Education, that I have over collectively 700,000 people in my project management classes. That's across 215 countries and 69 different languages. The courses that I teach, my flagship course, the best-selling course on Udemy and on my website, is the PMP Exam Prep Seminar. Tens of thousands of people have completed that class and gone on to earn their PMP, and I am very grateful for their participation in those courses. I also teach the CAPM exam prep, the PMI Agile Certified Practitioner. I have classes on emotional intelligence, leadership, and time and task management. So a lot of you have found me through those courses. And let me just say I'm very, very grateful for your time and attention as you've completed those courses, and I'm hopeful that it's helped you in your career. Now, my personal life, I live here in beautiful Sarasota, Florida most of the year, and in the summer months I get out of the heat, save my bald head from the sunburn, and I go north to Petoskey, Michigan, or other places in the Northeast. Believe it or not, at one point in my life I was a big runner. Now I'm just big. I've ran 7 marathons. I've ran dozens of half marathons. Now I'm an avid golfer. I love to golf. Not very good at golf, but I really enjoy it. I love to take pictures. Photography is a hobby. I have a personal goal that I read something daily. I love to read. Being a writer, it's important to read. To have great writers, we need great readers. I crave peace and quiet. So out here is kind of my sanctuary where I love to come out and read and have some peace and quiet. I work every day, Sunday to Sunday. I get up at 5 and I work till about noon, and then go play golf or enjoy my day or catch up on things. So that's my personal life. So my question to you, and obviously this is awkward for me to talk about me, but my question for you that I ask people is, how can I be of service? How can I help you in your life and in your career? I'm so thankful that people have taken my courses or read my books, and sometimes I think about the ripple effect that I have in different organizations based on what I've taught. So I take that as a great deal of responsibility with what I'm offering. So I asked people, how can I help you succeed? What classes or courses would you like me to teach? Would you like a live course or online seminars? I very rarely teach live classes anymore. Occasionally I do have a few clients that they would like a live class. But are you interested in that? Would your organization like to have a live class, like through Zoom, or have me come on site for a week and teach and consult? That's something I do occasionally. What other videos like this would you like? Well, maybe not like this. You probably heard enough about me. But what other project management videos or topics would you like me to take on? And I'm always looking for new ideas to be of service to you. So I just want to say thank you. I'm very blessed. I'm very grateful. This is not how I thought my life would turn out. So if you have comments or suggestions or things you would like me to address in these videos, drop me a comment below. If you're looking for project management training, you can find out all of the different courses that I have to offer on my website at instructing.com. So thank you for your time. Thank you for your participation in my classes. And I look forward to seeing you in future classes and videos like this. In the meantime, of course, keep moving forward.